Hello everyone. So recently I got a Guerrilla 450 and today I'll be giving it for its first service. So as you might know, the first service is when you either complete 500 kilometer or it has to be 45 days since you have bought it. I have completed around 489 kilometers and it has been around 20 to 23 days. But I had to give it early because I started getting an error, which I will show in some time. So this is my bike and sadly I've got few scratches. I don't know how. And since it's matte, I doubt if I can get it removed. But anyway. So now coming to the error that I was talking about. So when I turn it on, I get APS failure message on the screen. And then I get the error saying that there's an error in selected ride mode. But I don't get this error all the time when I turn the bike on. But whenever I get it, I cannot throttle above 4000 rpm. I'll show that as well. Not bad. Because of this issue, there's a huge drop in performance, and when I checked online, I saw many people getting this error on their Himalayan 450. So let's see. Let's go to the service center. At the service center, I did not get the error, and the throttle also worked fine. But I showed them the video of the error and also the throttle issue. Basically, APS stands for acceleration position sensor. This bike has ride-by-wire system which uses this sensor instead of a cable that usually connects the throttle to throttle body. So based on the throttle input, the sensor sends the signal to ECU. ECU then calculates the accurate amount of air fuel mixture that is needed. Then my brother and I left the bike at the service center and came back home since we both had meetings to attend. After a couple of hours, we went back to get the bike. So they replaced the right hand side switch module entirely under warranty. This switch module contains the APS sensor inside it. I'll put the invoice screenshot here for the exact part number. Now I'm able to rev more than 4k rpm. At the service center, I did not get a good response on why the APS failed, but I really hope I do not have to replace it again. I also got a mudguard extension added, which is mandatory for a Guerrilla since the mud splashes even up to the rider during the rain. If you like this video, please subscribe. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.